Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.4488 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.4300 1.4553. The earlier day close, 1.4463. The change was plus 0.0025, plus 0.17%. Opposite rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 1.49 rands, high 1.59, low 1.39. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost 1.38 rands, high 1.48, low 1.28. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 1.32 rands, high 1.41, low 1.23. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost 1.23 rands, high 1.32, low 1.14. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost 1.28 rands, high 1.37, low 1.19. In multi-week Dogecoin gauge on Monday, May 1, cost 1.30 rands, high 1.39, low 1.21. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 1.30 rands, high 1.39, low 1.21. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost 1.30 rands, high 1.39, low 1.21. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 1.31 rands, high 1.40, low 1.22. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 1.38 rands, high 1.48, low 1.28. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost 1.38 rands, high 1.48, low 1.28. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, May 11, cost 1.46 rands, high 1.56, low 1.36. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 1.45 rands, high 1.55, low 1.35. In 3 weeks Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost 1.39 rands, high 1.49, low 1.29. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost 1.26 rands, high 1.35, low 1.17. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost 1.22 rands, high 1.31, low 1.13. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, May 19, cost 1.43 rands, high 1.53, low 1.33. In about a month Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost 1.39 rands, high 1.49, low 1.29. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.37 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.84, while low cost 1.14. They found the middle value of cost 1.41. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.28. Change for April 6.6%. Dogecoin estimate for May 2023. Before all else cost at 1.28 rands. Excessive cost 1.61, while low cost 1.05. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.27. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.13. Change for May 11.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 1.13 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.13, while low cost 0.98. They found the middle value of cost 1.07. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.05. Change for June 7.1%. Dogecoin gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 1.05 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.05, while low cost 0.87. They found the middle value of cost 0.98. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.94. Change for July 10.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 0.94 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.17, while low cost 0.94. They found the middle value of cost 1.04. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.09. Change for August 16.0%. Dogecoin gauge for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 1.09 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.09, while low cost 0.86. The found the middle value of cost 0.99. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.92. Change for September 15.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at 0.92 rands. Excessive cost 0.92, while low cost 0.72. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.83. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 0.77. Change for October 16.3%. Dogecoin figure for November 2023. Initially cost at 0.77 rands. Excessive cost 0.95, while low cost 0.77. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.85. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 0.89. Change for November 15.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at 0.89 rands. Excessive cost 1.02, while low cost 0.88. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.94. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 0.95. Change for December 6.7%. Dogecoin figure for January 2024. Initially cost at 0.95 rands. Excessive cost 0.95, while low cost 0.82. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.90. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 0.88. Change for January 7.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.88 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.98, while low cost 0.86. The found the middle value of cost 0.91. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.92. Change for February 4.5%. Dogecoin estimate for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.92 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.92, while low cost 0.72. The found the middle value of cost 0.83. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.77. Change for spring 16.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.77 rands. Exorbitant cost 0.77, while low cost 0.60. The found the middle value of cost 0.70. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.65. Change for April 15.6%. ZAR to Doge conversion scale equivalent to 0.6902 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.6872 minus 0.6993. The earlier days nearby 0.6914. Change for now 0.0012, 0.17%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Rand to Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, April 24.